Find out how to ditch your condo maintenance fee forever. Attention condo owners! Aren't you sick and tired of that ever-increasing maintenance fee? The following is a message for every condo owner who needs to get rid of their condo maintenance fee but can't figure out how to get started. Here's the truth you need to know about maintenance fees. You can ditch your maintenance fee forever. In fact, here's the biggest problem you face right now. You think you cannot afford a freehold house with current market prices. But that's not the end of the problem. It actually gets worse. Why? Because the interest rates have increased. You also think you cannot afford the mortgage. And worst of all, most condo owners can't get past the idea that getting rid of the condo maintenance fee by moving to a freehold house is hard and impossible. But luckily for you, there's now a solution to your problem. So, if you're a condo owner who really needs to get rid of their condo maintenance fee, but can't figure out how to get started, here's the solution you've been looking for. Introducing Ditch Your Condo Maintenance Fee Program. This program will move you from your condo to a freehold house. It eliminates your maintenance fee forever. You also get a bigger home with more space. Get an extra bedroom for office or guests. Have a basement for kids' play or a man cave. Enjoy your backyard with barbecue and gardening. You will have a garage to park your car, bike, kids' toys, and etc. And much more. And best of all, you'll start seeing results with Ditch Your Maintenance Fee in 60 days, and it costs less than $15 per day. Isn't that cool? So again, if you're a condo owner who wants to get rid of their maintenance fee forever, understand this: because of high interest rate, freehold house prices got historically close to condo prices. Maintenance fees are going up because of inflation, and more houses are available now to choose from. Act now before it's too late. Call or text us at 647-848-2652 to discuss your eligibility over the phone. Now it is easy to get on board with Ditch Your Maintenance Fee campaign from Khatambakhsh Real Estate Team. Give us a quick call at 647-848-2652.